Just Recruit works in conjunction with SendGrid to send and deliver mail shots to the people in your database. Once we have registered your Just Recruit account, you will need to sign up with SendGrid if you wish to enable mail shot functionality. Once registered and logged into SendGrid, we will need you to provide us with an API key. This can be obtained following these simple steps. First, expand the Settings option from the left-hand menu, and then select API Keys. Next, click the Create API Key button in the top right of the screen. Give the API key a name. We would suggest something like Just Recruit API. Select Full Access from the Permissions section and click Create and View. Your API key will then be created and you'll be shown a unique code. This code is the API key that we need. Click the code to copy it. It will only be shown to you once, so make a note of it and then send it over to us to allow us to link to your Just Recruit account with your SendGrid account. SendGrid requires you to authenticate the email addresses of the users that you wish to send mail shots. You can do this following these steps. Once registered and logged into SendGrid, expand the Settings option from the left-hand menu and then select Sender Authentication. From the Single Sender Verification section on the page, click Get Started to verify an address. Complete the information requested in the Create a Sender form. And then press Create. This will create the sender and fire an email to the user to ask them to verify their email address. Once the authentication email has been received, the sender then needs to click the Verify Single Sender button to complete the authentication. You will be able to see if the user has been verified when the cross turned into a tick. This can be seen here. Once a user has been verified, they will then be ready to send out mail shots straight from the Just Recruit platform.